since I've got half of them over here in this big spike, if we add up all of these bars, we'll get the other half. So we have these major outbreaks occurring 50% of the time.
When you cut all the way around, what you get is this. And if you don't believe me, please feel free to, make a Mobius strip at home. And now you might be a bit surprised by this because you might expect two things, but this is one thing.
It's quite funny because if you ask anyone to prove the common area is more than pi by 4, they would start thinking about circles because pi is related to circles. The weaker problem is kind of harder, which is quite interesting.
I can square root both sides because I stay on the positive side, so I can choose the positive root. The x equals to square root of pi. This is crazy. Like, how did it pop up?